Did you know why people snore only during sleep? When you doze off and progress from a light sleep to a deep sleep, the muscles in the roof of your mouth, soft palate, tongue and throat relax. The tissues in your throat can relax enough that they partially block your airway and vibrate. During waking hours, the tissues in the throat and upper airway are open, and air enters the lungs easily for most people. During sleep, the soft tissues and tongue relax. This can partially block the airway. If the air coming in and out of the airway meets resistance, vibration can occur, causing snoring. People who are overweight or obese are more likely to snore or have obstructive sleep apnea. Some people may have a long soft palate, or large tonsils or adenoids, which can narrow the airway and cause snoring. Many people can reduce or eliminate snoring by sleeping on their side, wearing a nasal strip, or using a mouthpiece. Weight loss, mouth exercises, quitting smoking, and avoiding alcohol can help as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more facts.